Hi Rachel.
Hi Josh. It's been a long time. Where are you working now?
I work at a software company downtown. I'm an engineer.
That's interesting. What kind of software do you write?
It's a database for small businesses.
Does your company have a website?
Yes.
What's the website address?
http://www.sun.com.
How can I get the software?
You can download it from the website. It's very popular and it's free.
Okay, I'll do that. I have to go now. It was really nice seeing you again.
It was nice seeing you too. Email me next week and we'll get together for coffee.
My computer is broken so I can't send email right now. Can I call you?
Sure, my number is 233-288-2328. What are you listening to?
I'm listening to the radio.
I know that. Who are they playing?
Guess.
I think that's the Beatles, right?
That's right. How did you know that?
In my country everyone knows who they are. They're famous.
Really?
Of course. My parents saw them at a concert a long time ago.
Did you know that they were from England?
Yes, of course.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to everything, but my favorite is pop.
I see. Who's your favorite singer?
Celine Dion.
I like her too. She's got a great voice.
Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right. Bye. Adam, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
I can't find my purse. Can you help me?
No problem. I'll help you look for it.
Thanks.
What color is it?
It's black.
Did you look in the kitchen?
Yes, I already looked there.
I'll look in the living room.
Did you find it?
No. It's not in there. When was the last time you saw it?
I had it when I went to the library this morning.
Do you think you might have left it there?
Maybe. I'll call the library and ask them if anyone found it.
Wait! Is this it?
Yes, that's it. That's my purse. Thanks for helping me find it.
Excuse me, will you take a picture of us?
Sure. This is a really nice camera.
Thanks, my parents gave it to me.
How do you use it?
You press this button here.
Come a little closer. Wait, that's too close. Move a little to the left. Move back a little farther. Okay, stay right there.
Do you mean here?
Yes, that's good. Oh, I can't get it to work.
You need to hold down the button for about 3 seconds.
Okay, I got it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Smile.
Hello.
Hi. Are you still up?
Yes.
You sound tired. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I'm just getting ready to go to bed. It's been a really long day.
Do you have time to get some coffee with me later? I've something I want to talk to you about.
No, sorry, not today. I have to get up early tomorrow.
Oh, what are you going to do tomorrow?
My mother-in-law is coming over, so I have to get up early and clean the house.
I see.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, in the afternoon. I have to finish something I am working on, but I'll be free after 3:30.
Do you want to get together after you finish work?
Do you think you'll have time?
Yeah, my mother-in-law will be leaving here around 2 p.m.
Hi Peter, can I talk to you for a moment? I just heard the cookie factory downtown is going out of business.
Where did you hear that?
Sarah told me.
I'm not sure that's true. I haven't heard anything about it.
She said that they have already started to lay people off.
Doesn't your father work there?
Yes, I'm really worried he might get laid off. He just started to work there about 3 months ago. What do you think I should do?
I'd talk to your father.
Yeah, but if there was something wrong, I don't think he'd tell me. He doesn't like to upset me, but I really would like to know what's going on.
So what are you gonna do?
Aren't you good friends with the president of that company?
Yes, we used to work together at a different company about 5 years ago.
Maybe you could call him and see what's going on.
Well, I don't know. I guess I could. It's pretty late now, but I'll call him in the morning.
Okay, thanks so much.
Wow, I'm really getting fat.
You don't look fat.
Yes, but I am. I've gained 10 pounds in the last 2 months. Look at my stomach.
How much do you weigh?
I think about 170 pounds.
What kind of foods do you eat?
I usually have pasta for dinner. Sometimes I get takeout or fast food if I don't have enough time to cook.
I was reading a diet book the other day. It said that if you eat meat and nothing else, you'll lose weight quickly.
Wow, does that work?
I don't know, but someone told me they tried it and lost 20 pounds.
That sounds good, but I'm not sure how long I could do that.
I know, once you start eating vegetables and bread again, you'll probably start gaining weight.
Well, I think I'm going to try it anyway. Who's the author?
I can't remember. It's not that popular anymore. When I get home, I'll check and give you a call.
Mandy, did you know Heather called you?
No. When did she call?
2 hours ago, I think.
2 hours ago. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Sorry, I forgot.
What did she say?
She said she's waiting for you at her sister's place.
Okay, I was going to cook dinner first, but I don't think I have enough time now. I'll just warm up some leftovers in the microwave.
Okay.
If she calls again, tell her I'm gonna to be late.
Okay, no problem.
This is very important. Don't forget.
Don't worry. I won't forget.
Actually, would you please hand me my phone? I think I should give her a call now. She's probably wondering where I am.
Sure, I'll get it for you.
I'm going shopping. Do you want to come?
I thought you went shopping yesterday.
I did, but an old friend called me last night and invited me to his birthday party. I need to buy a gift for him.
I see. What are you going to get him?
I really have no idea what he likes. I haven't seen him in a long time. What do you think?
Maybe a cake?
Well, that's a good idea, but I think I should probably get him something else, like something he can wear.
How about a sweater? I saw a really nice one in the mall the other day. Maybe we can go there and take a look.
Okay, what store was it in?
It was at Macy's. I think they're having a sale this weekend.
Oh, that's a really nice store. I like the clothes there.
Hey Diane, what are you doing here?
Hi, Tim, how are you? I'm waiting for a friend.
I heard you're going to graduate this summer. Is that true?
Yes. If everything goes all right, I'll be getting my bachelor's degree in August. Then I need to start looking for a job.
I had to do that last year. It wasn't easy. Do you have any job offers?
No, not yet. I sent out a lot of resumes, but I didn't receive many responses. It's pretty hard to find a job right now.
What's your major?
Psychology.
That was my major when I started college, but I switched to engineering after the first year.
I think it's easier for engineers to find a job.
I'm not sure about that. It took me about 3 months to find a job. I finally was able to get a job after I put my resume on one of those job websites.
Anyway, it really doesn't matter. If I can't find a job, I'll probably go back to school to get my master's degree.